Good morning. My name is Vien Nguyen with Yokogawa. I'll be talking about part 6.2 of the OPAF standard. As you heard, we talked a lot about OPAF is a standards of standard. We try to reference and extend other standards instead of reinventing what's been done before. So as you can see, I'm missing a slide. I'm missing the text. Going the wrong way. I'm missing the text. There should be some text here. But what we're doing here in this part of 6.2 is that we're referencing a standard that was jointly developed by the FCG and the OPCUA Foundation group. It's called the Process Automation Device Interface Model, PADIM short. At the bottom, do you see the information model that was developed by that group? And then at the top right, you see that the OPAF PA-DIM type is the ECN base type is actually derived from the PA-DIM type. So what the message here is that we're not trying to reinvent something that other standard has done. We either referencing them or we reference and extend them. So in this case, we extending the PA-DIM model, the standard, and then we added the execution engine for upload and download the configuration. So this is one of the aspects of the 6.2 that I would like for you to remember. Secondly, this is what Dennis talked about. This is we're leveraging the automation ML standard for import and export. The basic information that we have in 6.2, this cover the import export for all of the basic information. You see the function block, the signal model, you're gonna see the DCN, all of that is in the basic information model. And we're using automation ML for import and export of that information. And third thing is that we're using the OPCUA companions. We're creating an OPCUA companion specification to define the basic function blocks. Right? This is a basic information that can be used by the other 6.x parts after 6 point. So you're gonna see Don talk about 6.4, and then eventually we're gonna release other 6x standard that will base on this information model. So you see, we're using we have a new reference model that we created for OPAF that will define the basic function block for the 61131 function block control engine and the 61499 control engine. So 3 things to remember. We're leveraging PADIM, Process Automation Device Information Model. We're leveraging automation ML for import export, and then we're creating an OPCUA specification for our function block runtime. That's all I have.